Today we're going to be finishing the Travis Scott Air Jordan 1 Lows. What's up? Welcome to the channel. If you're new, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button. Today we're going to be finishing up the Travis Scott Air Jordans. I'm super excited. I'm finally getting to the point where we could finish it up, get it ready for lasting. So what I got right now is the toe, and what we're going to be doing is making the tongue for the toe. I'm thinking about doing a black on the front, white on the back with a little bit thicker foam than normal. I think it'll give a nice subtle look with how the shoe's going so far. The front's also going to have the black thread. The bobbin is going to be the white thread. I made some patterns right here, so this is what it's going to look like. I measured it out earlier, so it's looking pretty good so far. This will be my foam, this will be my leather. So as you can see, it comes out pretty nice, but I'm super excited to work on that. I think I'm just gonna go with the same materials that I've already been using. I was thinking about using Python for the front, but for the front, but then I decided to just go black. So I feel like the black would be a lot cleaner, a lot more nice. So that's what I'm gonna go with. I'm gonna start cutting out all the materials, everything like that, and then from there, I'm gonna start stitching. So we're finished with the tongue and the toe. As you can see, it came out very nice. Here's a little quick close-up. So that's the front. You got the nice little strip of thread down the middle. We got the single around the edge. On the back, you know, just simple white. Looks very nice. So we got a little bit thicker foam than normal. I showed you I rounded off the edge. So that's something that I would do on these compared to other shoes. But hey, just throwing that out there. We also got the tongue. So I was thinking about doing Python for the front, but I decided not to. I just wanted to go nice and simple. So we got a nice clean black piece on the front. We got the nice clean white leather on the back. I think it looks very nice. So now that this is all finished, what we got to do is start stitching this onto the upper. So I'm going to get that all ready. As you can see, it's pretty much finished. This is the last step, just stitching this onto the upper, and then we're all done. So real quick with the hole puncher, I just wanted to share this real quick. So you got the bigger hole, and then you also got the smaller hole on the inside in there, and this wheel rotates so you could have different sizes for the shoelaces. So the shoelaces, the holes are right there. But I just want to share that the bigger one is more for like size 13, 14, 10, not 10, but size 13, 14, probably 12. And then from 11 down to, I'd say, about 9, 8.5, you'd go with like a smaller one. And then anything like 8 down, you would go with the smallest one. So there's like 3 sizes on this. The link's down in my description. So I recommend that you check this tool out. But I just want to share this because like you don't want to have the big huge hole on a pair of like size 7 or 6 shoes, because the hole's going to be literally as big as the piece of leather. So you'll have to go down a little bit smaller. So that's what I recommend with using this. But let's get back to it. As you can see, it's all finished. I'm super happy with how it turned out. I think it's very clean for what type of shoe it is. Travis Scott Air Jordan 1 Low. This is probably going to be one of my new favorite shoes now once I finish this, especially with how the Python has come out. But I think it's very nice. You got the Python, you got the black suede with the elephant print. I think it just touches up with each other very well. It goes very nicely. As you can see, the black tongue looks very nice as well. I'm not too sure what laces I'm going to go with, if I'm going to go with white laces, black laces, maybe gray laces, or we could even go with pink laces like the Travis Scott highs. I don't know. I think that'd be a cool touch though, but I think it came out very nice. So here's the outside shot, here's a front shot, here's the inside shot, and then here's the back shot. I'm also super happy with how the shape came out, especially on the back. I think it really sets it off. But something that I would do in the future is I would change out the bobbin for the inside to the correct color. I'm not too worried about these, just because where the bobbin, the inside thread is, you'll never see it anyways. But that's just a small detail that I will fix in the future. For this, you know, we're just trying out the pattern, and the pattern's coming out very nice, as you can see, especially with that backwards Travis Scott Nike sign. I think it's going to be really nice, especially when the sole is going to cover about that much, so then it'll be half shown like normal. So I think that's coming out very nice. You also saw that we put the lace loopholes all throughout there, so I think those are pretty much even for the most part. We got this little hole right here that still has some thread, so I'll just poke that through real quick and we can just get rid of that. So now that that hole is open, now they're all open. So it came out very clean though. So the next step I got to do is pretty much last it. That'll be super interesting to see how it comes out. I haven't really lasted a low Jordan, but I think it'll be the same as an Air Force One, so I'm not too worried about it. It's pretty much going to be the same process, you know, just wrap it all around, start lasting it up. So that'll be fun. But comment down below, let me know what laces you'd like to see on these, as well as soles. There's all white soles, all black soles, and then you could also do the wide midsole with the black bottom. You could also do gray bottom too, so I haven't thought about that. Those are some ideas though, so let me know down below what you would think would look better. So maybe an all white, maybe an all black, maybe the white and black, or the white and gray. They all go well. But thanks for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Check out all my other videos. Check out all my links. I got my Facebook groups down there. I got some of my other stuff. I got my website, all the merch down there, shoemaking class, so go check that out. But thanks for watching and have a great day.